This is sick. I am already sold. Hi everybody, my name is Aima Baig and this is my take on Nutras Earbud 850 by Audionic, the Sound Master. So let's check them out. The bass, clarity, vocals, instrument, everything is on point. It feels like almost I'm having my own personal concert. Iska Hexa mic ANC, it just takes the sound to another level. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई सामने बैठ के पियानो प्ले कर रहा हो. By the way, the best part is कि Audionic की अपनी app है, so you can control and customize your equalizers and many other features with it, which is insane. Well, I am in love with this feel, but you have to try it on your own. आपको खुद try करना पड़ेगा. I'm keeping them, so they're mine. I'm not giving it back.